Okay, so basically, I took, what's this called? The rear shock off, and then I took the swing arm off the frame. So I'm gonna paint it. So yeah.
Yeah, I'm burning it up. DPG, you should be turning it up. Back up. And when they bang this in the club, baby, you got to get up. Cause homies, thug homies, yeah, they giving it up. Low life, yo life, boy, we living it up. Taking chances while we dancing in the...
Forgot to press record, but since I already took everything off, this is great. So basically I took the brake pedal off. I'm gonna paint it, clean it, paint it, whatever. Took the Kickstarter off. And there's a nut, or a bolt, I'm sorry, that screws off, and just put it back in. So when you put it back on, just to hold it again. So see, I don't lose anything. This is how it goes. So yeah, I mean, easy way to store things. So when there's a spring, that is a pain in the butt to get off the actual hook. I don't know which way it goes though. Oh, it's this right here. No, right here. This one. This one. So yeah. Progress on the actual paint on the swing arm. It's pretty good. Looks better with the light. So just got a little I think I'm gonna do a couple more coats. Then I'm gonna call it good. I mean, it looks pretty good, so it's a gloss white. Same color I'm gonna be painting the rims, so yeah. I'm gonna call it a day because my stomach's really hurting. I'm hungry, and it's starting to get late. This guy looks pretty dope though.
Hold up, hey, for my niggas who be thinking we soft, we don't play. We gon' rock it till the wheels fall off. Hold up, wait, for my niggas who be acting too bold, take a seat. Hope you're ready for the next episode. Hey,
I did spray the disc, but I'm not really too worried because I might just get a new one. I can just sand it down, so I mean, I'm not really worried about that. And about the spokes, I don't care because look at. What are you doing? Hey. All right, so I'm gonna take the everything off the handlebars, and yeah. So look what I did. decided to grab the actual rim. Now look what happened. Smudged a little bit, but that's okay. So I'll just repaint it right now then.